welcome to devlog 1 of Homeworld Takedown. We will be looking over version 0.4.945, and as you saw when I just loaded up the game, it asks you if you want sound now. That's mostly for my purposes because it's really annoying having the sound on, and when I'm testing and stuff, it gets real annoying. Last time I did this, you can check it out. You can now remap all of your keys and it will work. So I redid art for, or I made art for winter, and also redid the tree art for spring, because I made it more springish, and so now we have all seasons, and I can focus on other things. You can leave comments on GameJaw or on YouTube if you like the border with all of the like bluish white objects. I don't really want to call them trees because they don't really look like trees, but it's fine. And I redid the physics for the characters so they slide around, and it just feels a whole lot nicer. And if I go to here, last couple times I added in the new AI, which is actually pretty hard because it shoots at you repeatedly, and it's really hard to hit. And I've added multiple spawns for the crates. They just aren't doing anything because I'm fully maxed right now. I redid the wall collisions so they won't get stuck, or you won't get stuck. I'm not redoing the wall collisions for them. It'll just take too long. I want to get this game done by the end of next year, hopefully. Hopefully. Don't hold me on that. So, yeah, some of the stuff that I still have left to do for the next big update is the boss, of course. And, I'm also going to add in the X enemy, which I'll show you the art and stuff for. I want to add health bars for the enemies because the next update I also want to have a new weapon that will light them on fire, so it'll do damage for a specific amount of time. I just think that would be pretty neat. And I'll also make it to where you can buy ammo in the upgrade menu, just in case if you run out and there's no crates, you won't be stranded. Well, you still can get stranded, but it'll be easier, I guess. Because right now, the game's pretty balanced, as I said earlier, I think. But if I go to and now, so this is going to be one of the first secret bosses, but it's going to take me a while to add that in there. You don't see anything, obviously, it's not themed, there's no enemy here, but I'll show you the art for that too. All you have to do is type in Ryan Mace. It's kind of a joke among my friends. And then you can type in story to go back here, and yeah, everything just kind of works. And you also keep your money throughout the game, so that's a way of giving you leverage, I guess. And I'm doing that because of when you fight bosses and stuff, I want you to keep building up, and then maybe later I'll add it to like DLC, or you have to go in and buy it through the upgrade menu after you beat the game. So, I don't know. I just think that would be kind of cool. I'll add that in eventually when the game's actually finished. But I like the art and stuff that I did for it. It looks nice, I guess. So yeah, I already went over this. I updated the update text. So here's some of the stuff that I am in the process of working on. Well, actually, I haven't really started on it, but I'm working on it now. All of this stuff, you can read it there. Basically, what all I've said, except for this, saves for controls, so you don't have to keep doing your layouts. You can save the layouts and then load them when you start the game. And I also want to work on controller support. That's not coming anytime soon. That's just something I would like to add later on, because it's going to be pretty difficult to do, because I'm not used to all of that. So yeah, improving key mapper is always going to be on the core side of things. Always going to be things that I'm going to look out for. If there's anything I can do to improve, you can tell me, but I think it's pretty good right now. I'm also wanting to add in the vault for it. So, you know how in here, if you hit escape, you will get your pause menu with the stats, but I might add like a weapon vault, or I am adding a weapon vault for all the secret weapons that you'll get. And how you get secret weapons is by secret bosses and events and stuff. If you complete those, you'll get the weapon and it will save, so you won't forget. Or, so it won't forget, technically. And it will be using something that will look like this. It's a reference. So, also I would like to add in different types of ships. This is just one that I wrote up as a concept. One that will hurt enemies when it touches it. So when it tries to attack you, it will also be hurting it. A ship that's faster would be cool, I guess. And with this new wall collision, I can do that. I don't know how that will work though. So don't hold me on that, I guess. Also, for upcoming levels, I want to add turrets into the game. It'll basically just move its head and shoot. So, I think that would be cool. It's a stationary thing, of course. And if you destroy it, you will destroy the head. I also want to make a death sequence for enemies. So when they destroy, they'll have like particle effects or something. I don't know. I'll see what I can do. It might be cut. Adding the health plus and ammo plus crates to the game. That will mostly be for later on, when you get the upgrade for your ammo cap. So yeah, that'll be something to look forward to. And then add shield glow on character, and that also goes with adding shield into the game. It'll just be another little health bar like this, but over here for shield. But that will be an upgrade that you have to get, and it won't have a shield crate that I haven't made the art yet for, because it's kind of an early concept thing right now. Features, I'm always working on limited time events and seasonal events. I would like to get one out by Christmas, but I don't think I'll be able to do that. We'll see. I'll see what I can do for y'all. Maybe like a holiday themed ship I can give you for doing something. I don't know. We'll see. It might just be a cosmetic thing that I'll give you if you play on Christmas. I'll give you the ship for free. You know, I might do that. Let's add that right now. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. There we go. So I'll find the day that Christmas is on, or when it's normally on, or maybe I'll just give it to you if you play in December. Also, I'm going to update the core game for the tablet version too when I do that, so everyone will be caught up now. And I think that's pretty much it. I mean, I guess I could go to the regular project thing, see what all I've missed or what some other future things are. This is old and not going to actually happen. Yeah, I need to get all the boss stuff done. And, that stuff won't happen until later on. I won't talk about that quite yet. I don't really know what else to talk about. Yeah, explosion animations I might want to do later. But, yeah, right now, I guess we can go into, future art things that are going to be added. So I don't think I have anything else to talk to you guys about. So if I scroll down here, I'll show you some of the new stuff. Oh, yeah, I hope you guys like the sound effect and stuff that I added in for low ammo and the low health stuff. I thought that was a cool little indicator. People have been asking me about that quite a lot. So here's the art for the Ryan Mace enemy. I thought it was funny. Here's what the other crates look like. I don't know if you can really see that all too well, but it's not really that important. I guess I could also show you the springtime stuff. Spring trees. That's what they look like, and then they'll transform into the normal trees in summertime. Where's the other stuff? Oh yeah, I'll show you the X enemy. I'll probably end up using this one for right now, and I also have another one that I might use. I just like the wire frame design. Thought it was pretty cool. And I think that's about it. I guess I can show you guys the boss if you guys really want. If I can find it in all this mess. I can also show you guys the final boss, why not? So there's two variations. There's one that you fight beforehand, and then there's this one that's all beat up. I won't show you the other one though. I'm sure you guys can figure it out anyway. Here's the Wave 7 boss. It's It's not that small, but it will be bigger on the canvas. So yeah, this is devlog 1. When I come out with the next devlog for all of the other stuff, I will be sure to make a video for the next update. So this is Mark IV from Mark IV Games and Mark IV Productions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.